Why are there not more people talking about the importance of taking charge of your financial future? In today's world, making informed financial decisions is crucial for achieving your long-term goals. Whether it's buying a house, planning for retirement, or securing your children's education, having a solid financial plan is essential. Investing plays a vital role in this plan, allowing you to grow your money over time and achieve financial security. However, for many beginners, the world of investing can seem daunting and complex. This guide aims to demystify investing, providing you with a clear and concise roadmap to begin your investment journey. We'll cover the essential steps to take before you even consider investing, different investment options, and tips for navigating the investment landscape. Before you embark on your investment journey, it's crucial to address two critical financial aspects: clearing high-interest debts and establishing an emergency fund. These steps are fundamental to building a solid financial foundation before you start investing. High-interest debts, such as credit card balances or payday loans, can quickly erode your financial well-being. These debts often come with exorbitant interest rates that can trap you in a cycle of debt. Before you even consider investing, prioritize paying off these high-interest debts. The logic is simple. The interest you pay on these debts is likely much higher than any returns you could expect to earn from investments in the short term. By clearing these debts, you'll free up more of your income each month, which you can then direct towards building your emergency fund and starting your investment journey. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. Unexpected expenses such as a medical emergency, car repairs, or job loss can arise at any time. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, providing you with a cushion to cover these unforeseen costs without derailing your financial progress. It's recommended to have 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses saved in an easily accessible account. This fund ensures that you won't have to dip into your investments or, worse, go into debt to cover unexpected expenses. Once you've cleared your high-interest debts and established a solid emergency fund, you're ready to dip your toes into the world of investing. Investing is simply the act of putting your money to work in assets that have the potential to grow in value over time. There are numerous investment options available, each with its own risk and potential return profile. As a beginner, it's crucial to start with the basics and gradually expand your knowledge and experience. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and patience and consistency are key to success. Section 5. Understanding your options. Exploring different investment types. The investment universe is vast, offering a wide array of options to suit different risk tolerances and financial goals. Some of the most common investment types include stocks. When you buy a company's stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of ownership in that company. Stocks offer the potential for high returns, but they also come with higher risks. Bonds. Bonds are essentially loans that you make to governments or corporations. They typically offer lower returns than stocks, but are generally considered less risky. Mutual funds. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They offer instant diversification and are managed by professional fund managers. Understanding the characteristics of different investment types is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Section 6. Assessing the risks. Navigating the investment landscape. Investing inherently involves risks, and it's essential to understand and assess these risks before investing your hard-earned money. Market risk is the risk that the overall market will decline, impacting the value of your investments. Inflation risk is the risk that the purchasing power of your money will erode over time due to inflation. Additionally, different investment types come with varying levels of risk. Stocks, for example, are generally considered riskier than bonds. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes can help mitigate risk. Section 7. Choosing the right platform. Finding your investment home. Once you have a clearer understanding of different investment types and their associated risks, you'll need to choose an investment platform to facilitate your investments. There are numerous online brokerage platforms available, each offering a range of investment options, fees, and features. When choosing a platform, consider factors such as fees, account minimums, investment options, research and educational resources, and customer support. It's crucial to compare different platforms and choose one that aligns with your investment goals and preferences. Section 8. The long game: investing for your future. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's essential to approach investing with a long-term perspective and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Develop a clear investment plan that outlines your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. Regularly review and adjust your investment plan as needed, but avoid making frequent changes based on market noise. Remember, time is your greatest ally in investing. Section 9. Conclusion. Embarking on your investment journey. Investing is an essential aspect of achieving your long-term financial goals. By clearing high-interest debts, establishing an emergency fund, and educating yourself about different investment options, you can confidently embark on your investment journey. Remember to start small, diversify your investments, and stay focused on your long-term financial aspirations. Investing doesn't have to be intimidating. With careful planning and a disciplined approach, you can grow your wealth over time and secure your financial future. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.